Okay, welcome back, folks. This is Professor Almeida with your Week 2 announcement in COSA 25, and I want to get started by showing you the first 2 weeks here in Canvas. So hopefully you have gotten started on last week's assignments here. You see that we have a sim book and a guided project to help you get started. So again, if you haven't done this yet, you're going to need to do some catching up. Okay, let me show you real quick the sim book here. This is your reading material. And you'll see that there are certain tasks for you to complete. You're only responsible wherever you see these tasks here. Now you'll see I've done a couple of things and I'm 11% complete. Don't freak out if you see in the grade book, for example here, 11%. You're not failing, but you do need to get to 100% before the due date. Okay, so if you recall, you're only responsible for the Let Me Try simulation. So I'm going to go ahead and open this for example here. So here's your reading material, right? You're going through, you're reading on how to create a new database in Access, and then you come across your simulation. So remember, there's 3 different levels: show me, guide me, let me try. You get the points for doing the Let Me Try simulation. And again, if you don't know what you're supposed to do, you can try to get the hint. Okay, in this case, go to the File tab in Backstage View, click New, and then select Blank Desktop Database, and then, give it the proper title. In this case, real quick, PPA1-2, and click Create, and then boom, you're done. Okay, so remember, you're only responsible for the Let Me Tries here. Now, hopefully you've gotten started with the guided project. There's a walkthrough video you can watch on how to complete them, which leads to this week. This week you have 2 independent projects. Okay, remember the difference between independent and guided projects. Guided projects tell you at certain steps how to do certain things, whereas in independent projects you don't really have that kind of guidance. So if you get stuck, go back and see what you did in your guided project, or if you need to, go back and look at the sim book. And finally, you'll see that we have a mandatory check-in. Now, this week, for a lot of you, your temporary access will likely expire, and you'll need to let me know that, hey, I did get SimNet working, I have my access card, I'm all set, I'm ready to go. That's what you're going to be doing in your mandatory check-in. And as a matter of fact, if you don't do the mandatory check-in, this next week will be locked. Okay, to unlock next week, not only by date, you'll also need to complete the mandatory check-in. So it doesn't take that long. Go in and confirm that you have access. Okay, not just access the program, but I mean access as far as SimNet is concerned. So anyway, that's all. If you need to get help, you know where to find me. Make sure you ask each other in the Open Collab forum. Okay, ask each other in there before messaging me. Good luck this week, and aim for the 100% in your projects. So again, good luck, and thanks for watching.